Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be installing JDM Bug-Eye rainbow fog lights. So I don't know if these were like exclusive on just WRXs or STIs, but I do know that they were only offered in Japan. This rainbow style light was available on the GC8 platform and the GD platform as well too. The Bug-Eye, and then also I know the Blob-Eye, but I don't think the Hawkeye got them. And from what I read as well too, the GC8 and the Bug-Eye fog lights are pretty interchangeable, but there's like a slight pitch difference. I think these are the ones that are, well, at least from the person that I purchased them from, they're supposed to be for the Bug-Eye. But you can see right here that they are Subaru OEM made in Japan, and the manufacturer is like, I think it says like Koto or something like that. It might be incorrect, but they're in pretty darn good condition. They're glass as well. They're glass. I currently have these like depot yellow ones on my car, and they're like pretty decent, but I feel like they're a little bit tacky because they're pretty yellow. So I think this is gonna be a pretty cool change. I'm gonna take some before and after shots as well too. So yeah. So this is what the car currently looks like with the depot fog lights, which aren't bad, but they're just a little bit too yellow for my liking. I know a lot of people prefer these ones, but just for me, they don't, I don't know, tickle my fancy, if you will. So that's what it currently looks like with them. I'm parked up against a fence, so the view is not very good. But yeah. We'll take them out and then do a side-by-side comparison with the rainbow ones. And one thing I wanted to point out, I kind of already like started unscrewing them, but the install is super easy. There's like oh, that's the adjuster one back there, but there's 3 screws that you just need to, that one's already unscrewed, and then this third one right there is unscrewed as well. You just take those 3 out, and then you can pull it out. Let's see if I can do this on camera. And then it should just pop out, and then you just unplug that guy right there and you're good to go. Just a little trick, so it is kind of a pain in the ass to get this thing off. The trick that I found that works really well is with this clip right here, and I think this goes for a lot of types of clips that are similar. You can just clamp onto it with like a needle nose plier. Here we go. And then you can clamp, and then when you're pushing down the clip, but then you can also pull it out at the same time, so it works really well. All right, big reveal. Boom. So these are the 2 sets side by side. These are the rainbow ones. You can see they're yellow, but they kind of have like a holographic look to them. They're a hell of a lot more reflective as well too. You can see my shadow in there. And then these are the depot ones. Also great quality, glass as well too, but just totally yellow. And then unlike the headlights that I made the review for, the fog lights are actually really great. They bolted up perfectly, clipped in no problem, and then are easily adjustable as well. So definitely recommend these if you're into the like yellow style. But yeah, super excited about these guys. The look is pretty unique, and I don't think I've seen another Bug-Eye, you know, around me with them. So let's get these hooked up. Okay, so just installed the fog lights. They look pretty darn sweet. They bolted up no problem, clipped right in, and look pretty good. Go ahead and turn them on really quick. So you can see why they call them rainbow, because they like are emitting all sorts of like different, it's probably not very good because we're in the daylight right now, but they're just emitting all sorts of different colors. I don't know what kind of film they have on there, but I see like purple and teal, yellow of course, but they're just sweet. There's the other one. I'll take some other video maybe a little bit later, but I think that'll complete the install for now. I'll probably have to like adjust them as well too, but you know, that can come later on. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped anybody who is looking to shop for these or is just interested. But yeah, thanks. Okay, so taking some video at nighttime. You can see the light that these are emitting. It's quite rainbow, as you can see. It's a lot more dramatic in the nighttime. I highly recommend these guys. Pretty freaking cool, man.